Welcome to English Practice Every Day. In today's preposition practice video, we will understand how the preposition to is used in various contexts to indicate direction, purpose, recipient, limit, connection, etc. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me. 1. Preposition to indicating direction or movement is used to indicate direction, movement, or destination of an action. Preposition to is used to indicate direction, movement, or destination of an action. I gave the book to John. I gave the book to John. Lisa walked to the store. Lisa walked to the store. Amy drove to the airport. Amy drove to the airport. We are flying to Paris today. We are flying to Paris today. They are heading to the beach. They are heading to the beach. 2. Preposition to indicating purpose or intention is used to express the purpose, aim, or intention of an action. Preposition to is used to express the purpose, aim, or intention of an action. We exercise daily to stay healthy. We exercise daily to stay healthy. I am studying hard to pass the exam. I am studying hard to pass the exam. Lucy donated money to help the charity. Lucy donated money to help the charity. Joe wrote a letter to express his gratitude. Joe wrote a letter to express his gratitude. The team worked hard to achieve success. The team worked hard to achieve success. 3. Preposition to indicating recipient or beneficiary is used to show the person or entity receiving something. Preposition to is used to show the person or entity receiving something. Sam gave a gift to his friend. Sam gave a gift to his friend. We presented flowers to our teacher. We presented flowers to our teacher. Tim dedicated the song to his parents. Tim dedicated the song to his parents. Emma offered a proposal to the committee. Emma offered a proposal to the committee. The company sent an email to its employees. The company sent an email to its employees. 4. Preposition to indicating limit or extent is used to express the limit or extent of something. Preposition to is used to express the limit or extent of something. The book covers topics from A to Z. The book covers topics from A to Z. The road stretches to the mountains. The road stretches to the mountains. The contract is valid from May to July. The contract is valid from May to July. The temperature dropped to 0 degrees. The temperature dropped to 0 degrees. The river extends from the forest to the sea. The river extends from the forest to the sea. 5. Preposition to indicating comparison is used in a comparative sense to express a relationship or likeness. Preposition to is used in a comparative sense to express a relationship or likeness. The cat is small compared to the dog. The cat is small compared to the dog. My handwriting is similar to my brother's. My handwriting is similar to my brother's. The new phone is superior to the old one. The new phone is superior to the old one. Eva's reaction was unexpected, similar to Adam's. Eva's reaction was unexpected, similar to Adam's. This movie is similar to the one I watched last week. This movie is similar to the one I watched last week. 6. Preposition to indicating connection or attachment is used to show a relationship, connection, or attachment between two things. Preposition to is used to show a relationship, connection, or attachment between two things. Emily is married to Jeff. Emily is married to Jeff. The string is tied to the balloon. The string is tied to the balloon. The key belongs to the locked door. The key belongs to the locked door. The bridge connects one city to another. The bridge connects one city to another. The hose is attached to the water faucet. The hose is attached to the water faucet. 7. Preposition to indicating time or point in time is used to express the end point of a duration or a specific point in time. Preposition to is used to express the end point of a duration or a specific point in time. The party is from 8 to 11. The party is from 8 to 11. The meeting is from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. The meeting is from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. The store is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The store is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I will meet you from Monday to Friday. I will meet you from Monday to Friday. The conference is postponed to tomorrow. The conference is postponed to tomorrow. 8. Preposition to indicating result or consequence is used to indicate the result or consequence of an action. Preposition to is used to indicate the result or consequence of an action. The accident led to injuries. The accident led to injuries. Richard's efforts led to success. Richard's efforts led to success. The leader's speech may lead to change. The leader's speech may lead to change. Ivy's decision contributed to the resolution. Ivy's decision contributed to the resolution. The research will contribute to scientific knowledge. The research will contribute to scientific knowledge. 9. Preposition to indicating addition or attachment is used to express adding or attaching something. Preposition to is used to express adding or attaching something. Add salt to test. Add salt to test. The bonus is added to your salary. The bonus is added to your salary. Max attached a note to the package. Max attached a note to the package. Zoe fastened the document to the mail. Zoe fastened the document to the mail. The postscript adds more information to the report. The postscript adds more information to the report. 10. Preposition to indicating awareness or attention is used to show attention or awareness directed towards someone or something. Preposition to is used to show attention or awareness directed towards someone or something. Pay close attention to the details. Pay close attention to the details. Jane turned to her friend for advice. Jane turned to her friend for advice. James looked to the sky for inspiration. James looked to the sky for inspiration. The children listened attentively to the story. The children listened attentively to the story. The audience gave their full attention to the speaker. The audience gave their full attention to the speaker. 11. Preposition to as part of phrasal verb is used to combine with a verb to create a specific meaning. Preposition to is used to combine with a verb to create a specific meaning. For example, agree to, look forward to, give in to, etc. Manager agreed to help. Manager agreed to help. I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to meeting you. George gave in to the pressure. George gave in to the pressure. 12. Preposition to is an integral part of the infinitive form of verbs to plus base verb. For example, to learn, to eat, to run, etc. She wants to learn. She wants to learn. We went there to eat. We went there to eat. Athletes get ready to run. Athletes get ready to run. 13. Preposition to as part of common collocations is used in various collocations forming common expressions. Preposition to is used in various collocations forming common expressions. For example, to some extent, from time to time, etc. I agreed with my colleagues to some extent. I agreed with my colleagues to some extent. Teacher reminds students about exams from time to time. Teacher reminds students about exams from time to time. That's all for this preposition practice session. Please keep practicing accurate use of the preposition to in your daily life. In our next video, we will pick up another preposition to learn and master. Bye for now.